Okay, so now she is performing the Weidel test to detect the Salmonella typhi and paratyphi, which cause the typhoid fever. So first, in one slide, she is adding 25 microliter of test serum sample, which is given in the kit. Again, she is adding 25 microliter of test serum sample. So we are going to check this test serum sample whether this sample has the typhi and paratyphi infection or not. So one slide she has kept for detecting the typhi infection, another slide she has kept for the paratyphi infection. So first now she is taking the O antigen solution, 25 microliter, and then she is adding to the first test serum sample. Okay, discard the tip. Okay, close it. Take a fresh tip. No, this also you can finish. Take a fresh tip. And then now she is taking the 25 microliter of Salmonella typhi H antigen solution. Adding to the second drop. Okay. Discard the tip. Close the bottle. Now she is having some mixing sticks. So for each sample you have to use a fresh mixing stick. So wherever she has added the O antigen solution, first she is mixing. Just spread little bit more. Spread. Then only we can see the agglutination properly. Okay, next second sample you can mix with the different stick. Okay, so let us wait for some 2 to 3 minutes to get a visible agglutination. Discard the tip or the mixing stick. Okay, so time being we can detect for the Salmonella paratyphi. So now she is adding Salmonella paratyphi AH antigen solution, 25 microliter. Now she is adding 25 microliter of paratyphi BH antigen solution. Now we have to mix with the stick. Okay, go for next sample. Okay. Now let us check for the typhoid whether any agglutination came or not. Can you check the slide properly? Is there any small agglutinated particles? Can you see?
It's there on H. You can see them.
You can see in the H.
In H. You can see there. Small particles.
Can you, how it will be visible? I think in H it is very clearly visible.
Yes, ma'am. Light.
Yes, with some dark background, you could see some clumping of the particles or agglutination we can see in the H clearly. In case of O antigen also agglutination is there, but I could see it in the slide. It is not so visible to you in the video. So as per this, the clumping has been observed in both O antigen as well as H antigen, which means the test serum sample is positive for Salmonella typhi. Okay, so second slide, paratyphi, it is also clearly visible here. This is with the AH antigen and OH antigen. So this is with the AH antigen, the clumping is visible here, and with the BH antigen also the clumping we could observe. So this is indicating that the test serum is positive for paratyphi also.